Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Back up anything irreplaceable and sign into your Google account so settings can restore. Once done, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging. This allows your PC to communicate. Make sure OEM drivers and platform tools, ADB/fastboot, are installed on the computer. Then download the correct firmware or factory image for your exact model and carrier. These first steps reduce risk and speed the restore. Because mismatched with files ready, boot the phone into bootloader or fastboot mode. You can also run a DB reboot bootloader if USB debugging works. Next, connect to the PC and verify fastboot devices list the phone. Use fastboot commands to flash images in sequence, boot, system, vendor, and recovery, because proper order prevents bricking. If your device uses a vendor tool like Odin for Samsung, follow its exact steps. Make sure to check return codes and wait for each partition to finish. Rushing can corrupt partitions. After flashing, boot into recovery to wipe cache and perform a factory reset. This ensures old system data won't conflict. Then reboot and complete Android setup, sign into your accounts, and restore backups and apps. Make sure to update the system and apps to the latest patches. If the phone enters a boot loop or won't start, reflash the official stock firmware and check recovery logs for errors. Often redoing the exact flash steps with verified files fixes the issue without hardware repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.